Hi all, welcome back to the channel GeoJobs. In this video, I am going to show 12 tricks of the Figma which will speed up your Figma process, and this will be very useful for when you're designing on Figma. Okay, then let's get started. So number one is called a breaking point. Breaking point is the plugin for Figma. I have already installed to my Figma. So what it does is it will give you the idea of how your screen will look like for the different resolutions. For example, I have made it for the 1000 to 1280px. If I drag it and arrange it to the smaller resolution, it will auto fit. If you see that, like, and how it is adjusting with the size, correct? So this is into that actually. The second trick I wanted to show you is the frame tagging. In the Figma, you are working on the different files, but you wanted to make is a tag for the files to easy to understand your client or maybe your co-workers. To how to do that? So I have a plugin for that. It is called frame tag. When you click on the frame tag, you can create the a tag for this one. Tag in the sense ready for review, content required, research required, I mean approval is required, work in progress, or approved, whatever it is. Tags you can create it. Maybe I'll create this one for the ready for review, and you can choose the color. I'll choose the this color and create the tag. Okay, so this will file is the ready for review. So for same for that, I'll choose other file. So I'll go to the same plugin again, frame tag. Okay, there's some ready-made list is also available, but I'll go to the last option, frame tag. So I'll go to this is the content is required for this design, and I'll choose the color and create the tag. Okay, in this way it is very useful for your Figma designs to notify the other people or maybe client what is approved, what is required, all that things. So that this is a second trick I was very useful. Okay, the third one is called remove bg. So remove bg is a plugin. It's very useful to remove your image background. Suppose in this case I wanted to delete this black color from the this image. So what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll click to remove bg and run. Look at that big remove, I mean background has been removed. So this is one of the trick you can use it on your Figma files. The fourth trick is the chat in Figma file. How to do chatting with your who is working co-designers with your file, or who is collaborating with file, right? So there is an option called you can chat with them within a Figma. So there is a one plugin is called chat in Figma. So it is called Figma chat. So I'll click the Figma chat. So when I click the Figma chat, it will open you the one window, so that you can connect with your all your collaborated people over here, and it will be easier and very fast to communicate and deliver the design. So you can see over here, like, and you can mention the people's name who is there with this collaborative file, and you can send them message here itself, and it will directly delivers within a Figma. Okay, so this is a one the very good trick in the Figma. You can make use of that. Okay, so and the fifth one I am going to show is one more trick is called color shade. Color shade is the plugin for Figma. So I'll go to plugins and I'll just click the color shades. Okay, so what color shade does it is that it will give you the entire range of the color for the which you have picked. Suppose I have picked the currently with this color, you can see like it will give you the entire range of the shades associated with this. Fifth trick in the Figma is that how to add the strokes only for the specific sides. You can able to see here that there is a two boxes over here, but the you can see like in strokes are there for only for two sides. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. First I'll select this one. I have made some adjustment. You can see first you need to apply a stroke for this with the one in size. Then you need to add the drop shadow with these settings like an x0, the blur is 0, y is 1, and the spread is 0. So if you make these two adjustments, then you can able to get this result. 7 round all. The round all is the trick on the, it's basically a plugin. I'll tell you where we can use that. If I have a whiteboard and if you can see this art, I mean this graphics, there is some decimal values associated with this in the x value, y value, or width and height. 43.22 or 140.33, 303.33, 61.233. Basically, we don't want this decimal value because this will be an issue for the developers if you are passing this style. Okay, so we want some of the hard values, maybe a 43 or 140, 303 or 61. For that, we have a plugin called Roundall. I'll install that first. Okay, then I'll go to my plugins and I'll go to the Roundall. Okay. Okay, when you run that plugin, you can see like my all the decimal value is become the full value. It is becoming 43, 140. I mean, it basically removes that decimal values after the point, so that it is also one of the nice plugins. So eighth one is the Isometric. So Isometric, I have an artboard. Isometric is a plugin. I'll show you how it works. And the moment when you click the Isometric plugin, it will give you the angle perspective of the particular artboard. So I'll select this artboard and I'll go with this perspective. See, it will automatically turns your artboard into that perspective on the angle, so that it not only the converts your artboard. If you see the layering inside the artboard, all the layers inside the artboard is also will be converted to that particular angle. Look at this, all the things. So this is also one of the trick in the Figma you can learn. It is a basically isometric plugin. Okay, we'll move on to next, the ninth one. See, ninth one is the how to fix the line height. You can see here I have pasted some text over this artboard, but it is merging each other, it is overlapping. So how to do it? So file, I'll select this one, this text over here, and if you go to the text, you can see here selection. You can either height select it or you can manually adjust it. Instead of that, you just type auto and it put the auto text over here. Look at this, it will automatically adjust the line height. So this is the one of the nicest trick in the Figma. Okay, next I'll go to the 10th trick in the Figma. So I have an artboard and I have some blank spaces over here. Okay, I wanted to add kind of images for this all, and I wanted to place it at a time. Okay, now for that I'll hold command shift and K or control shift and K. If you're using Windows, it is a control shift and K. If you're using a Mac, that is a command shift and K. I'll use command shift and K. Okay, it will ask you the images. I'll select these images. Okay, I'll open it up and see, it will give you the pointer. Automatically you can, in the single click, it will goes you to all these places automatically. So this is one of the nicest tricks we have in the Figma. Okay, so number 11, how to swap the position and position of the multiple boxes or maybe multiple images. I'll select all the things. Okay, and if I move here to here and I'll swap here to here, see that it will swapping very nicely and very cool way. So this is one of the nicest tricks. And if you wanted to increase or decrease the padding, see, look at this, it will automatically going to adjust the size of the all, not only the single one. Okay, so this is the one of the nicest feature in the Figma. Okay, the last one, how to make these kind of loaders, or maybe a kind of things which is very nice to have in the dashboards. So how to do it? So that I'll take you the one circle. Okay, so you can see here there is a one small pointer, kind of small circle you can see. When you click on that, it will ask you till what you need that shape, and you'll get a one more circle over here and click that. Okay, and move it inside it. Okay, see here, and I'll change the corner radius to some 30 px. Look at that, look at that. So that way it is very easy to create this kind of loaders in Figma. Finally, where you will get all these plugins for Figma. So for that you need to type this URL. This is nothing but a Figma community. In the Figma community, you will get a lot of other elements also for your UI usage. And if you see here, if you click the Figma over here, and you can type whatever I have mentioned plugins and go to the search, so you'll be getting it. That plugin will listing out here. You need to be a press install to install on your software, so it will be installed within a second. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I'll be coming back to you another video soon. Bye.